The no signal error on your Xumo Stream Box typically stems from issues with HDMI connections, HDCP copy protection, port configurations, or resolution settings. This results in a blank screen or error messages. The quickest fixes involve checking your HDMI cable, ensuring it's securely connected to both the Xumo box and your TV. Try a different HDMI port on your TV. Power cycling both the Xumo box and the TV by unplugging them for 30 seconds can also resolve handshake issues. If problems persist after these initial checks, move on to the next section for more in-depth troubleshooting. If basic checks fail, start by updating your Xumo Stream Box's firmware through the Vizio app or settings menu to version 2.3.4 or later. This update specifically addresses HDMI handshake failures that cause no signal errors. For high-bandwidth digital content protection problems, some TVs allow you to disable HDCP in their advanced settings. Alternatively, you can use an HDMI splitter as a workaround, though this isn't recommended for viewing protected content as it may cause compatibility issues. Finally, manually adjust the resolution in your Xumo Stream Box's settings to match your TV's native resolution, usually 1080p or 720p. This ensures proper signal output and prevents mismatches that cause no signal errors. If none of these advanced steps work, consider that physical wear and tear, especially on the HDMI ports, could be the issue. In such cases, you may need to replace the Xumo Stream Box or consult a professional for diagnostics.